2023 Spring Semester Mechatronic Project Group 14. And now gyro calibrating itself. When it's ready, the LED is blinking and now I'm choosing the blue color. Arkasına atmazsa atmayacak arkasına. Gelecek. Evet, zafer et,
Hello everyone, this is Nargis from Group 14 of 2023 Mechatronics project. This is our final design, final robot. The goal of this project is to design a system that is able to play a whack-a-mole game. Whack-a-mole game, at least in our project, is such that there is a playing field with dimensions of 2 to 2 meters, and there are 16 squares inside this field with different colors. There are 4 major colors: white, blue, green, and red. The white color is the starting square, which the robot will start from here. And then robots should travel all around the field and sense the correct colors where the moles are inside of it. Then the robot should place cubes inside these colors. The colors that contain moles are given to us or said to us from the TAs previously. Then the game begins. We should place as much cubes as we can in the same colors. So let's go to the details. Let's talk about the details of the project, the connections, the components, working principle, and etc. This is our Arduino-based system. The Arduino is extremely useful for mechatronics, electronics projects. I'll try to explain very briefly the necessary components here, the connections, the functions, and etc. We have a very long code provided, which will be provided in the report, so I'll not go into details of this code. At the bottom, we have 2 DC motors, 6 volts and turn in 250 RPM. The cost is 20 lira for each of them. And since the motor requires high speed control, we have a motor driver here. The pins of the motor driver are from 2 to 7 in the Arduino. Then we have 2 breadboards to make necessary connections. We have gyro on this breadboard. Gyro is one of the most important component of our system. Gyro measures the speed of rotation, control the orientation, and the pins of the gyro are A4 and A5. Yes, A5 on the Arduino. The model of the gyro is MPU 6050 and the cost is 50 liras. Then on the other breadboard we have a LED connected to the first pin of an Arduino. We have 4 switches for each of the colors. Starting from here, the first switch is to begin. Then the second one is for red color, then yellow color, and the last one is for blue color. First of all, we'll push the start button and wait the system, the gyro, to calibrate itself. We don't touch to the system. And then this LED blinks. After this LED blinks, we push the necessary buttons, whichever color we want, and the gyro, and then the system starts to move. Then we have a LiPo battery here. This is our servo tower. Servo was provided to us initially. The functionality is good enough. This part of the system does the pulling action of the cubes. So there is a part of the code in our general code for the servo directions, the angles. We have a front wheel. Yes, we have color sensors here. And 3 color sensors, red, green, blue. The cost is 120 liras, and the pins are from 8 to 12. Yes, 12 on the Arduino. So this is the general, the overview, very brief overview of the components of our system, the design. Thank you for your consideration.